The NBA Finals matchup dropped, and I want to show you why generic AI chatbots are absolutely broken for YouTube CTR. Look at my screen. I dropped a raw phrase, previewing the NBA Finals, into my tool, YouTubeCreatorAI. Because it pulls live search data, it already knows the Knicks and Spurs just locked it in. Look at rank number 2. Can the Knicks snap the 53-year drought? It even gives me a strategist tip to put the year 1973 in the thumbnail to trigger emotional clicks. Now look what happens when I run the exact same prompt in ChatGPT. It gives me generic templates like NBA Finals preview, biggest matchups. It's completely blind to real-time events. Look at the very bottom. It literally asks me, tell me the teams involved so I can make them specific.
YouTube doesn't care about generic text. It cares about real-time human psychology and trending topics viewers are watching. Stop fighting with 500-word prompts to get basic results. Grab an edge built specifically for creators at YouTubeCreatorAI.com.